So guys, on today's video I recreated my garden. It too. So much work it was so much that it was getting my hands hurt, like I had to use so many trowels, and I had to delete so many plants, like one of my favorite ones like the mangoes. And my huge cactus, it was so much work. And can you all rate my new garden 1 out of 10? I would be lucky to be happy if you'll give my garden a very good rate, so I hope it was worth it to adjust my garden and design it like a legend. I did all of this work just to make this single video, and I hope y'all can subscribe to me. My goal is to reach 50 subscribers, so I hope y'all can subscribe and enjoy the video.